What's going on, my friend? Garrett Berry here. Chances are you're watching this video because you're researching how to make money online. Maybe you want an easy and effective way to do it. Maybe you don't have any previous experience and you just want to plug into something that's proven to work. Well, you're in the right place, my friend, because inside of this video, I'm going to share with you the exact way that me and so many of my teammates and students have been generating anywhere from $200, even up to $500 or more a day just from the comfort of our home. So stay tuned. Welcome back to the video, my friend. Now, first off, let me just share with you some proof so you can see that I am actually making money. And I'm going to have pop on the screen some income that I've been able to make just in a single day, leveraging the simple steps I'm going to walk you through as you continue to watch this short video, okay? But not only that, in a second, I'm actually going to share with you more proof of other people from all four corners of the world, many that are just 18 years old, all the way up to 80 years old, who have never done anything like this before. They followed what I'm sharing in this video. They got started, and now they've been able to generate some absolutely incredible income from the comfort of their home. But before I share with you more proof of other people, let me just share with you a little bit about what exactly we're doing on a day-to-day basis in about an hour or so on a smartphone or a computer. All we're doing is simply posting ads on social media, okay? When you copy and paste those ads, and every time someone interested responds and buys the product that we're promoting, you actually get paid 100% commission on every single referral that you get. Okay, and you can have this money deposit directly to a bank account, into your PayPal account. You know, what would it be like if you could literally just copy and paste in about an hour a day on Craigslist or Facebook or Twitter, have people respond and actually see your PayPal account full of income in there? You know, what would your life look like if you could just travel or spend time with your friends and family and still have money depositing into your bank account, right? Well, that's exactly what I'm sharing with you as you watch this video. So first off, again, I'm going to share with you proof in just 1 second. But if you want more information at any time in this video on how you can actually plug in and access the exact copy-paste ads, as well as more information and more proof, go to the link below or head to easyonlineprofitsystem.com. When you head to that page, you're going to be able to see much more information as well as how to get started with this, doing the same thing. And many people make their first dollar with this, their first deposit, within their first 48 hours after joining. Now, real quick, on the screen right now, I'm going to have popping up some testimonials. Now, these messages come in our private Facebook group that every new member gets added to for support, as well as private messages I receive on Facebook on a day-to-day basis. People that, again, are brand new to this. Many of them have never done anything. They don't have a lot of technical ability. They don't have any previous experience. But again, they're coachable. They were willing to learn, and they got started following the step-by-step video training that people get access to when they go to the link below and get started. And they were able to see some absolutely incredible results. And it's just incredible to see, you know, on a day-to-day basis, people achieving some great results. So if you're watching this video, my friend, and this is interesting to you, you know, you want to learn exactly how you can do the same thing that myself and all these other people are doing in about an hour or so to make some great money online from home, then what I invite you to do is go to the link below or head to easyonlineprofitsystem.com. You're going to get there, you're going to be able to find out more information, and then go ahead and get started if you resonate with this. When you get started, I'll personally reach out to you, share with you the proven step-by-step training, and help you really achieve the income and results you truly deserve and desire. So again, thanks so much for watching, my friend. Go to the link below if you're interested, and I will see you over on the other page.